Hello friends, welcome to Maitriatic. Are you searching for a best AC? Before buying a AC, watch this video. End of the video, you can get an idea of which type of AC you need. Generally, ACs are two types: normal AC, inverter AC. Normal AC consumes more power compared to the inverter AC. Inverter AC are more costly compared to the normal AC. Better you can buy an inverter AC. You may hear about 1 ton AC, 2 ton AC. Ton means AC capacities. AC capacities are measured in tons. If you have a small room, you can choose 1 ton AC. If you have a medium room, you can choose 1.5 ton AC. Copper coils are better than the aluminum coils. Before buying an AC, you definitely choose made a copper coils AC. And AC star rating also more important. More star rating, more efficiency. If you have a 5-star AC, it consumes less power. Compressor is the main part of the AC and it is also costly. Normally manufacturers gives 1 year warranty on products and 5 years warranty on compressors. Some of them gives 10 years warranty on compressor. Definitely you can buy 10 year warranty on compressor. Here some of the top 5 ACs from different companies. You can choose any one of it. Number 1. Daikin 0.8 ton 3-star split AC. This is a non-inverter AC and it has 3-star rating. It is a very low price. It has 1 year warranty on product and 5 years warranty on compressor. It is suitable for small room. Second, Voltas 1.4 ton 3-star inverter split AC. It is a inverter AC. It has 1.4 ton capacity. It is suitable for medium room. This is 3-star ACs. It has 1 year warranty on product and 4 years warranty on compressor. This AC comes with copper condenser coil and it is also have advanced air purification. Third, Whirlpool 1.5 ton 3-star inverter AC. This is inverter AC. It has 1.0 ton capacity. It is 3-star AC. It also comes with copper condenser coil. It comes with 2.5 filtration with HEPA filter media. It has 1 year warranty on product, 10 years on compressor. Fourth, Samsung 1 ton 4-star inverter split AC. This is an inverter AC. We can adjust power depending on heat load. It has 1 ton capacity. It is suitable for small sized room, means 110 square feet room, and it is 4-star AC. It has 1 year warranty on product and 10 years on compressor. It has some special features like a digital inverter technology and voltage fluctuation protector, easy air filter plus auto clean, and it also have antibacterial filter. Fifth one, LG 1 ton 5-star inverter split AC. It is inverter AC. Its capacity as 1 ton, suitable for small rooms. We can adjust power depending on heat load. It is a 5-star AC. It has 10 years warranty on compressor, 1 year on product. It also has some special features like a dual inverter, 4-way swing, easy clean filter. We can also use without stabilizers. So these are the top 5 ACs we are providing. Friends, I hope you like this video. If you like, please click the like button and for watching.